Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushra's Lifestyle, and today I'm going to show you how I put up my cleaning caddy together for under 10 and with minimum chemicals to use. And here we go. What I use, this is a Dollar Tree bin. I don't like the one with the handle. I like those kind of handles to pick. It's personal preference. I don't know why I don't like that, but this is the slotted basket. So here, $1, and then I use this gardening spray bottle. And the product I use is 1 part vinegar and 1 part water with few drops of Dawn soap, and that is the amazing magical product, which I love that we have reduced all the chemical in our house. Not all, but a lot of them, because this glass cleaner is not the regular water. It's just the regular glass cleaner you buy. I'm working on this, which works the best. I'm gonna replace it, so maybe in a couple months or something. And then for tough stain, I use baking soda. So far $1, 2, 3, 4, and then these sponges are amazing, 2 for $1. And this is not a new sponge. I have used it quite a few times because you can see the spots on them. And this is also $1, so 4, and that's the $5. And then this is the magical brush, guys. Get them as many as like 6 of them at least, because they run out of them really fast. So once I had to use for 6 months, so ever since I buy them in bulk. I have them in my laundry room for my laundry. I have them in my kitchen to wash my sink. I have them, the bristles are very strong and nice. Tough stain on your dishes, use them and they don't leave marks. And everything. Dollar Store has not sponsored this video, so it's 100% honest opinion I have been giving you guys. These nice heavy duty gloves are also from Dollar Tree, and they are at Walmart $2.99, but you can get them from Dollar for $1. They're exact the same and last forever. It's like I probably bought that for 6 months ago. And then the one thing I would not recommend buying from Dollar Tree is like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sponges, $6, $7, $8 so far. And then these towels or whatever, microfiber towels, they are not from Dollar Tree at all. Dollar Tree's one did not work for me. I have tried them several times. These are either from Costco or from Walmart, Amazon. I have them on my blog post. I will list it in the comment below. So they're like $11 for 12, so it's mean they are like 80-90 cents each, and it's really nice. So these are not brand new, I'm showing you, because you saw nothing has a tag, and they have like a little stain I could not get rid of, but you can see every time you wash and fluff them, and they become so nice, like absolutely brand new they look like. I love these tablets. I don't recommend Dollar Tree one. Yes, you can buy them those handy nice pretty one for the kitchen, but or decor, but I don't think their towels work best for cleaning. I have to be honest with you guys. As the whole purpose of this blog or YouTube channel is to provide you thoughtful resources for affordable homemaking, because by using those tips and tricks for frugal living, you can afford everything in life. And that's how we came to our a place where we have a total financial liberty, and we can afford vacation, we can afford anything we want to according to our budget. So the big thing is stick to budget. I am new to YouTube. Please help me with letting me know what kind of tutorial or what kind of do it yourself you guys want, what kind of product reviews you want. Product reviews I only do if I use the product even on my blog. If I don't use it or any of my family member doesn't use it, my readers comes first, so I don't really care for those products. At this point, my purpose is to solely provide resources. So I don't know later how it's gonna turn out to be, what kind of a tutorial I'm gonna bring more, but let me know, subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment what you want: more Dollar Tree's product, more do-it-yourself, more frugal living tips, recipes, or however. You are the one who are watching them, and I will highly appreciate your help. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.